A few weeks back, our reality completely shifted all over the world. People were being asked to stay home, some to work from there. A huge decrease in business across many different industries. Items that are a necessity, gone from shelves. And a new term, social distancing. All of this, along with uncertainty and fear for loved ones, brought stress into my life. This stress manifested negatively in my body. The constant constriction in the chest that makes it hard to breathe, the lack of sleep, and the constant negative thoughts in my mind. I knew I needed to ground myself again, so I picked up Dale Carnegie's book, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. In this book, Dale Carnegie has a lot of different techniques that we can use to get a hold of our stress. I directed my attention to chapter 3, where he tells a story that is very relevant to what we're experiencing at the moment. He lived in New York, and at the moment there was a lot of fear about chickenpox. A few confirmed cases and some deaths due to the disease had happened in that city. He says someone rang his doorbell to warn him about all of the different things that can happen to our health due to that disease. And he thought, that's interesting. Of all of the years that I have lived here, no one has ever come to ring my doorbell and warn me of all of the negative effects that stress and worry can have in our lives. So he says that chapter is his way to ring our doorbell and reminds us of the cost to our health from stress and constant worry. Let this video be a reminder that stress can take a toll in our body when it's negative and constant and we do not manage it. Constant headaches, insomnia, ulcers, heart disease, all of these diseases that may end up taking more people than the virus that we're experiencing at the moment. Let's take command of our health. Let's start to adopt healthier practices in the way that we eat, in the way that we live our lives, in the thoughts that we put in our minds, so that we can come out of this on the brighter side.